Thank you so much, Mr. Stan. You joined me. How is your experience working with Pakistani tech experts as ASOCIO Digital Summit is coming to Pakistan next year?
First of all, thank you so much for having me. Good evening and warm greetings from Taipei. In fact, I just came out to my hotel room. The event just finished, our Digital Summit Awards night. And I think, first of all, I'd like to congratulate Pakistan on winning the bid to host ASOCIO 2026. I think it's important to note that from what I see, from what I've learned and what I've observed through my experiences dealing and also seeing firsthand on ground in Pakistan, being already in Lahore and Islamabad, and of course recently in Karachi for the ITC. And I always say and I always believe that Pakistan actually is a hidden gem. And so we probably need to use platforms like ASOCIO, where the world is coming together in one digital economy, hindsight per view, to ensure that we are completely aligned. And so Pakistan being a member of ASOCIO, I think it's important to take that advantage to really show what Pakistan is made of. Me saying is one thing, but if half of Asia is saying it, is something else. And so that makes a big difference. And I hope that this, in coming year in 2026, that Pakistan will put up a good show. I personally have no doubt, because I think the same thing happened in APITA about 4 years ago, I guess. And after seeing ITCN, I firmly believe that Pakistan will succeed and will be successful, simply because I think Pakistan has a lot of backing from the various ministries, the export board, I guess, and also more importantly, the association is driving this in a right direction. So on that note, I personally do not have any doubt, and I'm happy that Pakistan actually won the bid.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।